What is up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We are currently sitting in the 98. We are getting ready to head over to Chad's. If you're a new time viewer, you might wonder who Chad is. He is the guy that owns LS Custom. The 79, my Project 79 is sitting over there. It's a 79 GMC Sierra Grande. That's where it's been for the past probably 8 months. I'm doing motor work, lift kit and stuff. So we're gonna go over there today and try and get some of this stuff thrown on. Rubber piece for the filler neck, some bolts and stuff. Then I gotta run down to the farm and grab a new hanger bracket for the front driver's side hanger leaf spring. So we're gonna grab that. It is nasty out today. We've had thunderstorms all night and it's continue raining. I'm sure you guys can hear it, but I'm gonna run down to the farm, grab that piece, and we're gonna head over to Chad's, and I'll pick you guys up when we get over there. Okay guys, we made it over here. I hope you guys can hear me all right. We just got the 79 pulled into the shop with my 98. It was sitting right over there next to those tires. So I'm gonna park the 98 again real quick, and then we're gonna get in there and start slaving away on the 79. So got all the parts in there as well. So stay tuned and we'll see how much we can get done today. Here's the 79, guys. Like I said, we got it in the shop. I'm just using my truck to pull it in. Today, we're gonna be replacing this power steering line, high in pressure, and then I got some other odd and end stuff I need to fix, like this brake line up here I gotta fix. Yeah, there's just a lot of stuff. I have the new leaf spring hanger. This one right there is back there. And then I have whole new leaf springs and stuff we're gonna be putting on. I don't know if I'll be able to get that far today. I'm gonna try, but we'll see. The filler neck is here. I'm gonna try and get it tossed on as well. The bolts and stuff for the leaf spring shackles, and when we go to put those on right here. But I'm just gonna kind of take you guys along. I don't know how much content I'll have in this video, but we'll see. But we're slowly getting there. Hopefully in the next couple videos we can get it running. I got a new battery for it. We just got to get the positive negative battery cables, get some fuel and stuff put in it. I need to bring the core support over, get the radiator tossed in it, upper and lower radiator hoses, and then we should be good to go. So I'm going to dive into this thing, hopefully get a lot of this knocked out today, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I'm bringing you guys back. I had to pull the power steering reservoir and the pulley off of the truck because I couldn't get the high pressure line off the back. We ended up having to take the heat to it, locking down the vice grips on it, and then smacking with the hammer, but we finally got it. So I got this new line, the low pressure on, and then the high pressure is going on. Once I get this one tightened down, we'll put it back into the truck, connect the low pressure one to this, the high pressure screws in there. Then I just got to put my hardware back in to mount it, and then put the pulley back on it. So that's where we're at right now. Gonna continue moving forward, but so we got all this front stuff put together. Fuel neck is good to go. Now I'm gonna work on trying to get this front hanger bolt out, so then hopefully we can put the new springs and stuff in if we get enough, or if we have enough time today. But this side over here, like I said, this one's the one that I have the new hanger for, so I'll end up just cutting these rivets out and then not even worrying about this bolt. So we're gonna try and get that other one out and see how it goes, so stay tuned. Well guys, some bad news. I can't get that bolt on that other side broken loose, so what we're probably gonna end up doing is bringing the torch over and then heating it up and basically just melting it off, and then we can drop that whole thing. And then we can do the same thing on this side on that hanger. Instead of taking a cutting disc and cutting all these rivets out, we can just melt them off, put the new one on, and throw some bolts through it and go from there. But didn't even attempt this side just because we wanted to see if we could get that other side broken loose first, but we couldn't. So like I said, we're probably gonna end up trying to get the torch over here, get it all broken loose, and then get the new springs and stuff in, the new shackles, and then probably have to get some new U-bolts for it. But other than that, everything went pretty smooth today. We'll definitely be back with the torches to break everything loose and get it all changed. But other than that, I'll pick you guys up when we get back to the house, because I'm going to show you a little bit of what the plans are for this truck yet. So I'll pick you guys up when we get over there. Okay, we're back at the house now, but I just kind of want to touch bases where we're at on the 79. Basically, starting from the rear end forward, so from the leaf springs and stuff like that, that's all we have is the leaf springs, and then put the new shackles in and new U-bolts. I believe that's it. And then that hanger, and the back end would be done. And then moving forward, we got to replace some of the front end parts like ball joints and stuff like that, but that shouldn't take too long. And then motor wise is going to be the most. We have like an oil pressure switch we got to put in behind the distributor, fix a brake line. Fix the brake lines on the back of the truck, the extended brake lines that came with the lift kit, put those on. But other than that, it's not too bad. I just don't have time to get over there like I would hope, just because of hay season, and then working on Cole's truck, and then working part-time at Enterprise. I have no time whatsoever. But I'm gonna try and get over there when it's raining and stuff like it did this morning, but I'm not sure when the next time I'll be able to get over there. I got to get a few more parts ordered for it, but once we get those parts in, we should be able to get back over there and get them put on. I need to wrap the headers yet, and I believe that's about it. But I just kind of want to make an update video for you guys. So remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man. If you're new, smash the subscribe button, share the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.